Thank you for being here tonight. It means a lot and we really appreciate it.
Yes, kahit mawala nandito kayo, sinusuportahan kami. Maraming salamat po.
Para kay Andres and Ashley, ngayon nandito na sila.
Ngayon, this is just the beginning. Kasi literal, this is just the beginning. Kasi nakikita ko, ang dami nyo lang gagawin. After nito, mapa-series man or movie. So, kung ano man yung attitude na meron kayo, yung ginagawa natin itong pelikula, dalhin nyo lang at yung go.
No, maraming salamat, Direk. And I'm sure lahat ng mga tao mamahalin tong pelikula to. Tulad ng pagmamahal nila kay Ashton and Andres. Guys, sabi ko nga sa kanila, everything that you're seeing right now, this is a manifestation. Now, when you really want something, all the universe conspires to help you achieve it. And of course, it's a blessing from God. Diba? So, wow! Segundo mula ngayon, mapapanood natin ang blockbuster artists na ito na talagang bibida sa mga sinehan. The first out of the many movies that you guys are yet to make. Now, Andres, imbitahan mo sila lahat September 24 to watch your film.
Yes, I'm inviting you all to watch Minamahal, Isang Daan Bulaklak para kay Luna. Written and directed by Direct Jason Paul Laksamana. In cinemas, September 24, nationwide.
Let's go! How about you, Ash?
Yes, ayun po, ulitin ko lang po yung sinabi ni Andres. Minamahal, Isang Daang Bulaklak para kay Luna. This September 24 na po yan. This Wednesday. Sana po supportahan nyo. Thank you so much po.
There we go! Cams, can I just say, Andres, ang pogi mo ngayon. Ashton also, grabe ka. You are like a princess tonight. Grabe. Yun yung prince mo. Anyway, thank you so much. Guys, sa lahat po ng mga ticket holders natin, you can now go inside the cinemas. For now, picture muna tayo sa ating cameras dito. Sa mga Cinema 2 ticket holders, punta na tayo doon. Papasok na po yung cast natin right after this. Again, Cinema 2 ticket holders, punta na tayo sa loob. Pupunta po yung cast natin doon. There we go. Again, Cinema 2 ticket holders, pasok na po tayo. Thank you, Ash, Andres, and of course, the brains and hearts of this film na pinamahal, Direct JPL. Thank you so much. I'll see you inside. Sa mga audiences, pasok na po tayo sa loob. I'll see you inside. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the session.